Alright guys, we're back.
Look at the old dude, look. Eye, mouth.
Oh yeah.
Head.
So there it is again. It's happening right now as we speak. I'm gonna keep the camera over there just so you guys can see. Every time we go inside and get something, it just starts swooping like that, and the cat tries to get it. Go kill yourself on eating cereal, Matthew. I'm dying. Now, I'm thinking of naming this series Shenanigans, where I will record different stuff that happens around the world. Like, I don't know, like a funny fail or a really funny stuff that goes on. I'm dying on the inside because I'm laughing too hard on the inside. It may not sound like it, but I actually am. Alright. We'll see you guys later.
Just think that's the laugh sounds fake. Your laugh sounds fake.
It's not. It's hilarious. It's great. Thanks for joining me.
Oh, some say peace.
Move. You see in the intro. Thanks for joining me on the next time of Shenanigans.